Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you dread shaving your legs as much as I do? Well, I have found the solution that makes me no longer dread shaving my legs. It is this adorable little electric shaver by Meeteasy. This thing really has changed my life. I don't even mind shaving my legs. It's kind of fun actually because this thing, I don't even know how it works so well, but it works incredibly well. You just turn the power on and it's pretty quiet. Anyway, so you just shave. So you can see right there, I just go over it a couple times. So what I am amazed at, one, I don't even know how it works because I don't feel any, like there's no blades, like I'm not going to cut myself. But somehow it removes all my hair. But it is super flexible, so even like going over my ankles or my knees, you can see like this thing is rubber, and so it moves, and then all of these go at different angles. It's really ergonomic and has a really nice grip to it. There's also this nice little clipper here if you need like a more precise exact where to get it. It's also really easy to clean, so all of these just pop out really easily, and then it comes with a little brush so you can just clean it. And you also can even run this underwater, it says. Just make sure it's dry before you use it again. If you are on the hunt for an electric shaver, this thing really has impressed me. It is painless, it is easy, it works really well, and that's my point of view.